In today's video, I'm going to teach you smart formatting in Microsoft Word. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Smart formatting means letting Word do the heavy lifting so your documents stay consistent, easy to update, and fast to build. Instead of manually bolding headings or hunting for matching colors, you'll use Word's built-in intelligence to apply structure and style with confidence. Start by using styles as your building blocks. Apply heading 1 for main titles, heading 2 for subsections, and normal for body text. Once your content is styled, Word can automatically generate a table of contents, and the navigation pane becomes a powerful map you can use to jump between sections. The real win is that if you modify a style, say, change the font or spacing of heading 2, every instance updates instantly, giving your document a cohesive, professional look with a single edit. Next, set the overall tone with themes. Themes define color palettes and font pairings across the entire document. Choose a theme that matches your brand or project, and rely on theme colors instead of picking individual shades. If a brand color changes, updating the theme instantly refreshes headings, links, shapes, and more, without manual cleanup. For structured templates and consistent input, enable the Developer tab by going to File, Options, and Customize ribbon. From there, insert content controls. A date picker ensures dates follow the same format. Drop-down lists restrict choices to approved options, reducing typos. Rich text and plain text controls show users exactly where to type. Open the controls properties to set titles, placeholders, and rules so your template behaves the same way every time. If you reuse standard paragraphs, signatures, or formatted tables, save them as quick parts or auto text. Select the content, go to Insert, Quick Parts, and save it with a memorable name. Later, type that name and press F3, and Word will drop in the entire pre-formatted block instantly. This keeps language consistent and saves a ton of time. For smarter page layout, avoid stacking Enter or Tab keys. Use section breaks from the Layout tab under Breaks. Section breaks let you change margins, switch to a single landscape page inside a portrait document, or create different headers and footers, all while maintaining a clean, predictable structure. Turning on formatting marks can help you see exactly where those breaks are. Finally, when you need to mirror formatting, use the Format Painter on the Home tab. Click once to copy formatting to the next selection. Double-click to lock it on and apply the same look to multiple spots, then press Escape to turn it off. Master these tools, and Word becomes faster, cleaner, and far more reliable. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.